is the Webb 4VK vertical mill. Variable spindle speed in 2 ranges. Goes up to 4,200 RPM. Machine's equipped with a power quill feed. This does work. Brake works. The machine has a 2-axis digital readout, a Newall Sapphire, which seems to be in .002 increments. X, Y, both working. It has a Mitutoyo Quill scale, which also is working. It has a Servo variable, I'll get you over here. Servo variable speed power table feed. The rapid. Works both directions. So that's working. And we have a collet rack with collets, actually 3 collet racks with collets, and then at the side has lots of R8s. It has a Curt power drawbar and a step clamp set on the side. That's it.